Welcome to chapter 7, your indefinite integrals. Today we are going to see some special theorem based upon some special integrals. Okay, now these are the theorems for which we are going to prove them and see their result, and to see what special and what important substitution we will be using. For example, if we are having the term a square minus x square, as you can see here, it is your a square minus x square, then you can use the substitution x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Similarly, if it is a square plus x square, like it is in the sixth number, then you can use the substitution x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. If it is x square minus a square, then you can use the substitution x is equal to a sec theta or a cosec theta. So first of all, we will start with the number 1. We are here to prove integration. First result, dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a x plus a plus c. Okay, just see here, this term 1 upon x square minus a square, we can write x minus a x plus a, right? This can be written as 1 upon 2a, you can see here, x plus a minus x minus a upon x minus a x plus a dx. Now just see here, what I have done here, multiply with numerator 2a and denominator 2a. हमने ऊपर और नीचे 2a से मल्टीप्लाई किया. अब आप देखिए माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा, प्लस ए माइनस से आपको प्लस 2a दे देगा. तो ये आपका, we are having the same equation in the another form. Now this can be done. You can see here 1 upon 2a x plus a will be cancelled, so we are here with dx upon x minus a, again minus 1 upon 2a integration of dx, again x minus a and x minus a will be cancelled, so we are here with x plus a, right? Now what will be the integration of this? 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a minus 1 upon 2a log mod x plus a, right? After this, you can see here 1 upon 2a we can take outside, and this takes the form log, here we can add one constant also, so log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So this is how we have proved the first result. In the same way we will be doing for the second result also. In second result, once again it will be 1 upon a minus x a plus x dx, which can be written as same here 1 upon 2a, you can see here a minus, this is a plus x plus a minus x upon a minus x a plus x, and this is your dx. Once again you can see a and a will be 2a, x and minus x will be cancelled, so this takes the form 1 upon 2a. You can see these 2 will be cancelled, so we are here upon dx upon a minus x plus 1 upon 2a integration of dx, this is a plus x, right? Now here it will be 1 upon 2a log mod a minus x plus 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x. Right? Now, when you integrate here, you will be getting minus sign. Right? Now this takes the form, this is your plus, so 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x minus 1 upon 2a log mod a minus x. Right? Then after this, plus c. Here itself you can add. Now with these two terms you get 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So this is the second part we have proved. Next, coming to the third one, it is dx upon x square plus a square. Right? Now just see, x square plus a square, as I told you, we can take the substitution here. Let x is equal to a tan theta. Then here dx is equal to a. What is the differentiation of tan theta? Sec square theta d theta. So this takes the form, dx की जगह आप लिख देंगे a sec square theta d theta upon x की जगह a square tan square theta plus a square. Right? So this becomes a sec square theta d theta upon a square tan square theta plus 1. Now this takes the form 1 plus tan square theta आपका sec square theta होगा, जो इससे कैंसिल जाएगा, 1 upon a हो जाएगा ये आपका d theta. Now this is equal to 1 upon a theta plus c. Now 1 upon a, यहाँ से देखिए tan theta आपका कितना हो जाएगा, your tan theta will be x upon a and your theta will be tan inverse x upon a. So this takes the form tan inverse x upon a plus c. Okay. Moving ahead our discussion, we are here to prove theorem number 4, that is integration that is dx upon under root a square minus x square. ध्यान दीजिए a square minus x square में आपका सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या होगा, x is equal to a sin theta और a cos theta. So let x is equal to a sin theta. Then what will be dx? dx is equal to a cos theta. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा a cos theta d theta, and here it will be under root a square minus a square sin square theta. Right? Now just see here, ये आपका हो जाएगा a cos theta d theta upon a 1 minus sin square theta will be cos square theta. So this will be a cos theta. Right? a square में आप इसको क्या करेंगे, ये आपका हो जाएगा, you can take outside a square, then this will be 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta will be your cos square theta. So a square cos square theta आपका किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, a cos theta में, ये आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So you are here with 1 d theta and this is equal to theta plus c. यहाँ से देखिए आपका sin theta कितना हो जाएगा, x upon a, and what will be theta, sin inverse x upon a. So this integration takes the form sin inverse x upon a plus c. So this is how we have proved the theorem number 4. Moving on to the theorem number 5. फाइव में आपका है dx अपॉन अंडर रूट x square minus a square. So once again you are here with x square minus a square. x आप a sec theta ले सकते हैं या फिर आप a cos sec theta. So let x is equal to a sec theta. यहाँ से आप लिख लीजिए sec theta आपका हो जाएगा x upon a and your theta will be sec inverse x upon a, right? उसके बाद देखिए यहाँ से वापस आइए dx आपका कितना हो जाएगा a sec theta tan theta d theta, right? Now we'll get this change. ये आपका हो जाएगा dx that is a sec theta tan theta d theta upon under root what is x, that is a square sec square theta minus a square. This is again a sec theta tan theta d theta upon under root a square. What is sec square theta minus 1? Tan square theta. So this is your tan square theta. Tan square theta. Now this takes the form a sec theta tan theta d theta upon a tan theta, right? Now just see a and a will be cancelled, tan theta and tan theta will be. What is the integration of sec theta? You know that is log sec theta plus tan theta plus c, right? Now after this we are going to keep the values here. Log sec theta plus tan theta plus c, right? Now just see here. What was our substitution? X is equal to a sec theta. So here what will be sec theta? X upon a. Now this takes the form log x upon a plus under root 1 plus x square upon a square, right? You can see here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So what will be a tan square theta? That is sec square theta minus 1. So this will be x square upon a square minus 1 plus c, right? Now this log, here instead of c we can take c1. This takes the form, just see here, x upon a plus under root x square minus a square upon a plus c1. Now your log x plus under root x square minus a square प्लस c1 माइनस लॉग a अपॉन में a है तो और इसको आप एक वापस कांस्टेंट में रख दीजिए तो ये आपका हो जाएगा लॉग x प्लस अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस c. So this we have replaced by another constant, that is c. Next, sixth. Here the same way we will be doing dx. It is our under root x square plus a square. x square plus a square में देखिए आपका होगा x is equal to a tan theta. Here dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta. So this takes the form a sec square theta d theta अपॉन अंडर रूट एक्स की जगह हम लोगों ने रख दिया a स्क्वायर tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस a स्क्वायर. ये आपका हो जाएगा a sec square theta d theta अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा आपका sec स्क्वायर थीटा होता है, तो हो जाएगा a। देखिए यहाँ पे अपने पास sec स्क्वायर थीटा, ये आपका हो जाएगा 1 plus sec square, that is sec theta, right? So this takes the form sec theta d theta. This is equal to log sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Now keep the value here once again, log, you know what is sec theta? Tan theta की value रखेंगे x upon a, right? And this will be under root 1 plus x square upon a square, यहाँ पे c1 कर लीजिए, plus c1. So this is here log x plus under root a square plus x square upon a plus c1. Once again we'll be doing the same thing, that is log x plus under root a square plus x square plus c1 minus log a, and replace this by capital C, that is another constant. So this takes the form log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c, right? Moving on to the last one. Once again we will be doing the same thing. It is x square minus a square. So dx upon x square minus a square. Let x is equal to a sec theta. Your dx is equal to a sec theta, tan theta and d theta. So this is equal to a sec theta, tan theta, d theta, right? Upon, what is x? A sec theta. Here a square sec square theta minus a square. So this takes the form a sec theta, tan theta, d theta upon a sec theta, और ये आपका हो जाएगा a tan theta. You can see here this a and a is cancelled, one a is left here, sec theta, tan theta. So we are here with 1 upon a, 1 d theta, that is 1 upon a theta plus c. This is 1 upon a. From here you can see that sec theta is x upon a. What will be theta? Sec inverse x upon a. So this becomes sec inverse x upon a plus c. So this is how we have done by the important substitution the proof of the special integrals. Thank you.